What did we get from Amazon today? E.g. Scary here. So today, I tried to expedite this so there wouldn't be so much drama and seasickness with the scissors, so I slit this already, but I have not looked in here. So obviously I always know what's coming, but I don't remember which ones because I kind of order a little bit too much Halloween stuff from Amazon. So today we have the Halloween Nun Mask cosplay mask. So far, it's kind of interesting from the bag. This is one of those zip and play, which is very hard to deal with one-handed operation. My camera is still sick. A new one is coming. So, I'm going to put you on pause. Alright, so it is now unzip-locked. It's a fake ziplock anyway. Generic brand X ziplock. So let's take a look at our sister. Alright, so the Nun, it's actually only leather right around the edges. The rest of this is all this fabric. But nuns are hot this year. There was that Nun movie, and actually now it kind of looks like Eric Idle from, was it Nuns on the Run? It looks like a dead nun in drag. So, let's take a look at this. Oh, I guess the halibut. I think that's what they call it, just for the hell of it. So I really dig these eyes. They have a nice bit of realisticness if you know anybody with yellow eyes. Other than that, they're creepy as F. So it's just fabric back here, and then they have the hell of it. So I guess I'm going to get into my drag and try this one on. So, the visibility in this mask is terrible. It keeps riding up, but it looks creepy as... I actually feel like I'm Marilyn Manson. I don't like the drugs, but the drugs like me. Anyway, so I like this mask, how it looks. I don't like this lack of visibility. Let me see the camera. So, hopefully this video is doing what it's supposed to do. It's a total blind selfie. So it's crazy. I really cannot see anything. So let's just try it. This is a little bit better. So, did you do all your homework? Did you? Or should he talk more like, did you do all your homework? Did you? I don't know, I kind of like it, so. And it's a cheapie, you know? Any mask under 20 bucks. Pretty good. Pretty good. E.g. Scary out.